Hi, boys and girls. All right, we're going to do another math activity with our counting bears. So you will need your counting bears, and it would be great to have your dry erase and your dry erase marker and your eraser. I don't have an eraser. I have to use a Kleenex, but I think you guys all have erasers. All right. So what we're going to do is some basic adding. And you can look and do it by watching me, but I do think it would be helpful if you also built the models yourself. Because sometimes when we do it ourselves, it helps us to remember more. So let's start off. You can get out your bears. Okay, it doesn't really matter what color. Right, on your board, you are going to place 3 bears. Mine are red. If you want to do red like me, you can. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3 bears. Okay, and if you want to, you can actually write the number 3. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. All right, and this I know you can do. I want you to just write a plus sign. Okay, because we are going to do some adding. All right, so I am going to take 3 bears and I am going to add to my 3 bears 1 more bear. Okay, mine is yellow. Again, yours can be whatever color you want. And then I'm going to draw an equal sign. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to add our bears. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is to take our bears now that we have on our board. We can pull them all down together. These are all my bears together. And then we are going to count how many we have. Okay, so you can definitely help me with this. I'd like to hear you counting too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many bears do I have all together? I have 4 bears. All right. So you can write the number if you want to, or if that's hard for you, you could also have somebody write the number with dashes, and then you can go ahead and trace over it. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, let's try another one. This time I'm going to use green. Green is my favorite color. What is your favorite color? All right, and I am going to put these bears right there. I'm going to write a plus sign. And I'm going to put these here and an equal sign. All right, so go ahead on your own board. Go ahead and set that up. You can always pause the video if you need more time to do that. All right, let's count them in our parts. Okay, how many green bears do I have? Let's count. 1, 2. I have 2 green bears. Plus, how many blue bears do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2. Good counting. I have 2 blue bears. Equals. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to pull them all together. Let's put them together to figure out what they equal. So now we're going to count them all together as a whole. Part, part, whole. All right, here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bears all together. So you can write the number 4, or you can have somebody do the dotted lines for you and you can trace it. All right, let's do one more problem and then maybe you can make up some on your own. All righty, all right. So I'm going to use purple this time. Why don't you pick your favorite color? All right, here we go. I'm going to put these right here. And then I think I'll use, what color have I not used yet? I don't think I've used orange yet. So let's do some orange. Maybe I did use some, I don't think I used orange, did I? To go back and look. Okay, so I'm doing my part plus my part equals, all right, so let's figure it out. Do the counting with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 purple bears. Plus, let's count our orange bears. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange bears. Okay, now we need to figure out the whole. So we're going to take them all together. I'm going to move them down here so we have them all together. And we're now going to figure out how many we have all together or in whole. All right, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my whole is 6. All right, you guys did a really nice job. Feel free to keep writing those problems and trying to figure out how they add together. All right, see you soon.